Hey guys and welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish and I'm back with all the latest, most updated news about your favorite celebrities from B-Town. आज मैं अकेला नहीं हूं, मेरे साथ है हमारी very talented and very stylish fashionista Tanumita who will be joining us very soon. But before I begin today's episode, I do want to remind you guys about our Zoom Facebook page जहां पर आपको मिलेगी all the latest updates about your favorite B-Town celebrities. So do check it out and let's begin today's stories. Here they are. Bollywood unites to help elderly couple operating Baba Ka Dhaba in Delhi. 5 reasons why Amit Ji's sense of style is timeless. Jasleen Matharu and Anup Jalota picture sparks marriage rumors. Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet Singh make their relationship official.
रोइए मत, बिल्कुल मत रोइए, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ऊपर वाला आपके साथ है.
Whether it was the pandemic, any natural disaster or a colleague going through hard times, Bollywood celebrities हमेशा मदद करने के लिए आगे आते हैं. Most recently, when a video went viral of an old man who owns a dhaba in Delhi weeping because of little to no business, many B-Town celebs have asked their fans in Delhi to visit the dhaba operated by an elderly man and his wife who are finding it hard to make ends meet. The pandemic and extended lockdown and fear amongst people of stepping out or eating out has caused a grave impact on many small and local businesses. One such local eatery, Baba Ka Dhaba, located in Malviya Nagar in New Delhi, has fallen on hard times. But with so many celebrities giving this little eatery a shout out, we hope that unka bura waqt jaldi khatam ho jayega. Check it out. The video that started off this movement of kindness and support showcased the plight of an elderly couple who were in tears because they were unable to sell enough plates of food to operate their business. पैंडेमिक की वजह से कई छोटे और लोकल व्यापारों पे मुश्किल समय आया है जिसकी वजह से उन्हें अपना बिजनेस बंद करना पड़ा है. The video, which showed where the couple's dhaba is and praised the delicious looking food being served, went viral quickly with many netizens moved by the plight of the aged couple. कई बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज ने भी बाबा के ढाबा के सपोर्ट में सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट शेयर किए हैं, रिक्वेस्टिंग देयर फैंस एंड फॉलोअर्स टू डेफिनेटली विजिट दिस लोकल इंडियन ईटरी एंड सपोर्ट द एल्डरली कपल. Swara Bhaskar, Sunil Shetty, Randeep Hooda, Raveena Tandon and Nimrit Kaur are amongst the many Bollywood celebrities who made sure to share the post in support of the couple and promote their eatery. सुनील शेट्टी ने अपने फैंस को इस एल्डरली कपल के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट लाने के लिए कहा and wrote, "Let's help put their smile back. Our neighborhood vendors need our help too." Swara Bhaskar, who is originally from Delhi, also gave a shout out to the dhaba and shared on her social media page, "Delhi, Chalo Baba ke dhaabe par." Randeep Hooda shared the details of where the small dhaba is located and asked people to make sure that they make a visit soon. He posted, "Do visit if you are in Delhi." Nimrit Kaur wrote on her social media handle, "Make this your next stop, among many such others in your neighborhoods, wherever you are. Hashtag Vocal for Local." But while many shared posts in support asking people to visit the dhaba, actor Raveena Tandon had an interesting idea on how to promote Baba Ka Dhaba. She wrote on her social media page, "Whoever eats here sends me a pic. I shall put up a sweet message with your pic. Hashtag support local business. Hashtag local vendors." We do hope कि लोग इस ढाबे पे जाएं और इन हार्ड वर्किंग इंडियंस को सपोर्ट करें. एक्टिंग में ये सबके बाप लगते हैं और फैशन और फैशनेबल लगने के मामले में ये शहंशाह हैं. Amitabh Bachchan, who rose to fame in bell-bottoms and well-cut suits, is one of the most stylish and well-dressed actors in the industry even today. With his birthday around the corner, we'd like to wish Mr. Bachchan lots of good health, great movies, and of course, many more stylish appearances. अमित जी की हम जितने भी तारीफ करें तो कम है. After his battle with the pandemic-related virus, he is back to work and shooting for the game show he hosts. Amit ji has always won hearts with his deep baritone voice, his articulate speech, and his tall, imposing personality. Lekin Big B also makes headlines for continuously experimenting with his looks and fashionable choices. Let's take a look at 5 different styles that Big B looked dashing and handsome in. Check it out. Let's take a look at 5 different styles that Big B carried off with aplomb and that gave us some major fashion inspo. Number 1. Shahenshah's Royal Indian look. He is the king of Bollywood and he looks every bit the part when he dresses in Indian finery. Big B is often seen in a classic cream kurta pajama and shawl at home or even when he used to meet his fans before the lockdown. The actor has worn many ornate sherwanis on screen and on the ramp when he walked for top fashion designers. Whether it's the heavily embroidered sherwani that he wore during a fashion event, or a more chikankari embroidery kurta, or a long achkan paired with a kurta pajama that he wore on a magazine cover. Big B looks every bit the emperor in Shahi Indian clothing. Number 2. The Bond Bachchan look. While he can look regal in Indian finery, Mr. Bachchan looks equally dashing in suits. The actor has always experimented with different styles, cuts and fabrics and carries off conventional and experimental styles with ease. Whether it's a classic black tuxedo to the premiere of The Great Gatsby, which made him look like 007, or a more modern velvet suit that he wore to an award show, Mr. Bachchan keeps young actors on their toes with his carefully styled looks and red carpet choices. Number 3. The casual look for a cool dad. Amit ji is one of the coolest dads on the block and has often spoken about how he and son Abhishek are buddies. It's no surprise then that the actor is spotted in casual athleisure or printed statement hoodies and sweatshirts while hanging out with his son, who loves sporting similar casual looks. The actor has also been spotted pairing a hoodie with a modern take on bell-bottoms and a dull orange pair of shoes. Well, if that's not cool, we don't know what is. Number 4. Bold or bright rang barse. One factor that sets Mr. Bachchan apart is how he uses bright colors in his clothing. The actor has been seen wearing bright red jackets and even wore an almost lavender suit in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. But even off-screen, we have seen him dress in bright yellow, blue and red kurtas, use multicolored scarves or boldly carry off a pink waistcoat on more than one occasion. Rang barse indeed when it comes to Mr. Bachchan's wardrobe. Number 5. New silhouettes, modern styles. Mr. Bachchan has remained passionate about his work and young at heart, and this is why perhaps he is still open to experimenting with new styles, cuts and designs. He was spotted wearing a black long modern kurta with white floral embroidery and white loafers, a look which only he could pull off. He also walked the ramp once in a bright orange kurta pajama with a red velvet shawl, a combination again that he carried with such confidence that it looked almost perfect. Of course, who can forget the new age silhouette he wore while sharing the ramp with actors Hrithik Roshan and Shah Rukh Khan. It's hard to imagine that any other star could pull off an all-black outfit with a velvet collar and sleeves just like he did. So while he may keep his look at home simple for all other occasions, Mr. Bachchan is more than happy to experiment and look dashing every single time. Guys, now it's time for me to welcome my very fashionable friend Tanumita, who will be doing a special segment for us today, and I'm pretty sure that all of you guys are really gonna enjoy her insights. Over to you, Tanumita.
Hi guys, I'm Tanumita, winner of Myntra Fashion Superstar and your style expert. Welcome to Bollywood Style Tracker. When it comes to wearing prints, in my opinion, the bolder the better. And who better than our Bollywood celebrities to show us how to rock prints, be it classic or quirky. Let us have a look. One major trend that has come into style is the big bold oriental print. Moving away from the cliche florals, this is a unique way to wear a full bloom in your outfit. Just like how Kareena wore a blue and white printed midi skirt with a front slit and paired it with a statement sleeve top. This look is definitely a crush. Katrina Kaif loves her classics, even when it comes to prints. In a recent appearance, she picked a classic polka print top to match with her mustard 4-wrap leather mini skirt. She finished the look with a pair of kitten heels. I have to admit this is one of my favorite looks of her. It's a crush. Sophie Chaudhary was snapped in an athleisure look where she wore a printed bomber jacket with a pair of black leggings and black sneakers. Well, though the print of the jacket is bold, I wish it was brighter, so definitely it's a cringe for me. But let me show you my recreation on how I would wear it. So guys, that was a whole lot of inspiration for you to try on prints. I will be back with a lot more style tips and a lot more fashion in the next episode. Until then, stay stylish. There are divas and legends, and then there's Rekha Ji. An immensely talented actor, she's Bollywood's most enduring fashion icon who never fails to look stunning no matter what the occasion. In fact, her trademark look of traditional Indian Kanjivaram or Banarasi silks, complete with stunning jewelry and that signature red lip, has inspired millions of girls to fall in love with the Indian sari all over again. So, with the festive season around the corner, I'm gonna share 5 insights of how you can channel Rekha Ji's show-stopping style. What makes Rekha Ji special is the confidence with which she carries herself. The veteran actor will soon be celebrating her birthday, so before we decode the quintessential Rekha look, let me take this opportunity to wish Rekha Ji a very happy birthday in advance. Number 1, teaming saris with dupattas. When it comes to Rekha Ji, the more silk, the bigger the border, the more luxurious and lavish the sari, the more heart-stoppingly beautiful she looks. अक्सर रेखा जी अपनी वन ऑफ अ काइंड हेवी इंडियन साड़ीज के साथ एक सिल्क की शॉल या दुपट्टा लेती है, लेयरिंग वेरियस कलर्स एंड प्रिंट्स ऑफ सिल्क टू क्रिएट अ रिच एंड एलिगेंट इफेक्ट. Who can forget how gorgeous she looked at Deepika Padukone's wedding reception in a white Banarasi silk sari, which she paired with a purple full-sleeve silk blouse and a matching purple silk dupatta, which was draped around her arms. Number 2, full-sleeve blouses. An integral part of the quintessential Rekha look is a long-sleeve blouse. रेखा जी अपने स्टनिंग सिल्क्स को अक्सर वेल टेलर्ड फुल स्लीव या एल्बो लेंथ स्लीव ब्लाउजेस के साथ पेयर करती है. These are either contrasting colors or matching to her sari of choice. Of course, long sleeve blouse का मतलब ये नहीं that you will forget to dress up your wrists with gorgeous karas and bangles to add that much needed glitter to your overall look. Number 3, playing with colors. While many of us pride ourselves on color blocking and striking contrasts, Rekha Ji is the OG fashionista when it comes to color blocking with her choice of saris. I can never forget the stunning lime green sari she wore to an award show, which she paired with a bright pink blouse to match the striking pink border on the sari. Totally wow. So this festive season, experiment with bold and contrasting colors like her. Number 4, maximalism with jewelry. When it comes to layering jewelry and choosing striking pieces to match her silk saris, Rekha ji is quite the maximalist. While many of us choose to highlight one piece of jewelry, Rekha ji's looks often have one or more kundan necklaces, earrings, her trademark jhumkas, and sometimes if it's a wedding, she even sports a mang tika and manages to look completely at ease. If you want to channelize her sartorial choices this festive season, don't worry about going the extra mile with the accessories. Number 5, hair and makeup. इन आंखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों है, क्योंकि रेखा जी की अदा ही कुछ ऐसी है. An integral part of the quintessential Rekha look is the way she does her hair and makeup. Rekha ji often braids her hair and accessorizes it with a parandi or gajra, giving it a lovely feminine look. You could also wear your hair in a bun like her or leave it loose over a shoulder. Don't forget a bindi and of course the Rekha red lip. The actor is almost always seen with lipstick that's a red, maroon or burgundy that reflects her fearless and fun personality. A potli or batwa to complete the look and you are done.
Well guys, it's time for a very quick break on the show. Don't go anywhere, we're coming right back. Jasleen Mathru, who was a contestant on a reality show hosted by Salman Khan, has raised eyebrows for her proximity to bhajan singer Anup Jalota on the show. Jasleen was trending on social media after she shared a picture of herself and Mr. Jalota in wedding finery. लेकिन क्या अनूप जी और जसलीन ने शादी कर ली है या बात कुछ और है? फोटो में जसलीन एक हेवीली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड सलवार कमीज में दिखाई दे रही है with a dupatta over her head which makes her look like a bride. She is also sporting a chuda which is worn only by married women. उनके बगल में बैठे भजन सम्राट अनूप जलोटा ने एक दूल्हे की तरह शेरवानी शॉल और पगड़ी पहनी हुई थी. Jasleen didn't caption the picture, which led to wild speculations online, with many netizens speculating that the two had married privately. Jasleen and Anup ji were the subject of much controversy and gossip after rumors did the rounds of their fondness for each other. Now, while she had declared that she and Anup ji were a couple when the show began, Jasleen later clarified that this was just a prank played by her and that in fact there was only a guru-shishya relationship between the two of them. Jasleen had shared that Anup ji had even introduced her to another gentleman whom she dated for a while. Now, quite a few years later after they first met, a picture of the two together has emerged and grabbed all eyeballs and created a speculation overdrive on social media. Check it out. Her fans were understandably shocked and surprised, and Jasleen's post was flooded with comments and reactions, with people asking questions like, "What is this? Married? Ye kya hua? Kab hua?" and so on. लेकिन इन्हीं comments में another fan of the actor verified that this might be a picture from the sets of the film वो मेरी student है, which Jasleen and Anup ji are shooting for together. After much drama, it turned out that this explanation was in fact correct and that the two were just posing in costume from the sets of their upcoming film. लेकिन ये पहली बार नहीं है जब जसलीन के शादीशुदा होने की या अनूप जी के साथ गहरी दोस्ती होने की रूमर्स सुनाई दिए हैं. The actor-singer, who seems to like courting controversy, had shared pictures on social media earlier as well, where she was dressed like a married woman, leading to speculations that she had tied the knot in a hush-hush manner. Jasleen later clarified that she was merely dressing as a bride to shoot a music video और उन्होंने शादी नहीं की है. इन जुलाई दिस ईयर जसलीन ने एक न्यूज़पेपर को बताया था कि वो एक भोपाल बेस्ड डॉक्टर को डेट कर रही हैं एंड इट वाज इन फैक्ट अनूप जी जिन्होंने क्यूपिड प्ले करते हुए दोनों को मिलवाया था. But after dating virtually for 3 months during the lockdown, they separated क्योंकि sadly उनकी कुंडलीज मैच नहीं हो रही थी. Jasleen and Anup ji had immediately grabbed attention when they joined a popular reality show hosted by Salman Khan as a couple. They kept up the act of being a couple all through their stint on the show and revealed only after they were eliminated कि ये सब एक झूठ था. After their exit from the show, Jasleen revealed कि ये सब एक प्रैंक था और उनके और अनूप जी के बीच सिर्फ एक गुरु शिष्य का रिलेशनशिप था.
नहीं, उनके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगी. आई थिंक उनका ये मजाक बंद करने का एक तरीका होगा, तो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके.
वेल पब्लिसिटी के लिए सेलिब्रिटीज अक्सर कंट्रोवर्शियल पिक्चर्स और वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करते रहते हैं. In Jaslene's case, this mysterious picture not only set her trending on social media, but kept the questions about her equation with Anup ji unanswered as well. सिंगर नेहा कक्कर को बधाई देने का वक्त आ गया है. The talented artist has made her relationship with Rohanpreet Singh official on social media after a picture allegedly from their Roka ceremony recently went viral. After a long time, Bollywood has something to cheer about. Singers Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh have finally made their relationship official by sharing pictures of the two of them together on social media pages. There were rumors that the couple, who has been engaging in lots of social media PDA and have been dating for a while, may even get married by the end of this month. But, well, we are yet to receive confirmations about any weddings in the offing. Well, Filhal, it's just lots of good wishes to this talented twosome as they embark on a new journey together. Neha is one of the most popular singers in Bollywood today and has many popular foot-tapping numbers to her credit. Rohanpreet bhi एक talented singer है who largely sings Punjabi songs. He was in fact singer-actor Diljit Dosanjh's top choice in a musical reality show. He was also a contestant on a reality show as a prospective suitor to Shehnaz Gill. कुछ दिनों पहले नेहा और रोहनप्रीत का एक पिक्चर वायरल हुआ था after a fan page who shared the image claimed that the snap was from their Roka ceremony. फोटो में नेहा और रोहनप्रीत अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ पोज करते हुए दिखाई देते हैं with what seems to be a big gift basket. ये रूमर्स भी थी कि दोनों इसी महीने शादी भी करेंगे. But while they may or may not be tying the knot, the two have made their relationship on social media official by sharing photographs and doing a rather filmy प्यार का ऐलान. नेहा ने रोहनप्रीत के साथ फोटो पोस्ट करते हुए लिखा You're mine @Rohanpreet Singh. Rohanpreet has also shared a picture of the two and captioned the post Meet my zindagi @Neha Kakkar. Neha, who is currently judging a singing reality show, seems to have decided to bring an end to the many rumors floating around by confirming her relationship status and deciding to make things official with Rohanpreet. Rohanpreet Neha की फैमिली के भी काफी करीब हैं and the two make it a point to support each other with mushy comments on social media. कुछ दिनों पहले जब नेहा कक्कर और उनके भाई टोनी कक्कर के नए सॉन्ग ने 1 बिलियन व्यूज का मार्क क्रॉस किया, रोहनप्रीत ने इस खुशखबरी को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए लिखा लव यू बोथ एंड डिक्लेयर दैट इट वाज टाइम फॉर अ ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन. नेहा ने भी रोहनप्रीत के एक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट पर कमेंट करते हुए लिखा था बेबी यू आर द बेस्ट. Well, looks like the couple is deeply in love and we wish them nothing but the very best of luck. Here's hoping you stay together forever. Well guys, that's all we have from today's episode. It's time for me to say goodbye, but I will join you guys again very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home, and most importantly, stay positive. Ciao.